Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to graph functions in Desmos mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to graph functions in Desmos mobile, all you got to do is simply go to Desmos. Once you're in your Desmos, to graph functions in it, you need to simply type your equation into an empty expression line, like y is equals to 2x plus 1, or fx is equals to x cap 2 and stuff like this, and the graph appears instantly. You can use the on-screen keyboard to simply use the symbols like cap, or you can also use the shift+6 for exponents and slash. And if you type in any of the functions or like formulas, a graph line will be created automatically. You can simply go and type in different kind of functions and formulas right in the keyboard. After you have done this, you can tap on the points of interest on the graph and use the wrench icon to adjust the view. So this way you can simply use your Desmos Desmos mobile with the graph function. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.